Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are talking about something truly must have for any serious collector. It's a Hot Wheels Porsche 911 GT3 R. From the series The Car Culture Race Day. And let me tell you, this little beast is a showstopper. Just look at this. The level of the detail is insane. From the race-inspired graphics on the side to those perfectly crafted taillights and headlights. It's like a Hot Wheel nailed the real thing. And if you're a Porsche fan, you're going to love this. It's sleek, sturdy, and looks amazing. But wait, there's more. You might have seen the Rexy version, the iconic dinosaur-themed graphic that make this car stand out. But Hot Wheels didn't stop there. There is also Roxy version in pink, which has a whole new level of style and personality, as the both versions are absolute gem with its own detail. The Hot Wheels Porsche 911 GT3R is more than just a diecast car, it's a perfectly crafted to replicate the real version of 911 GT3 race car, which is known for the striking and unique livery, often featuring the dinosaur themed graphic that makes it stand out on the track. As Rexy has become a favorite among the fans for its eye-catching design and the high performance capability, blending the thrill of racing with a playful, distinctive look. How cool is that? So whether you are displaying it or adding it to your collection, this car stands out in the Hot Wheels premium lineup. So you can feel the sturdiness, the attention to the detail, it's all there. And if you're a fan of diecast car, or if Porsche make your heart race, this is definitely one to add to your collection. So what do you think? Are you adding the Rexy or Roxy to your collection? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button if you are loving this Porsche perfection. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more Hot Wheels reviews and unboxing. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.